So today a client of mine called me for a washing machine assessment or a diagnosis of a washing machine. The description was like the washing machine could sometimes drain and sometimes it couldn't drain out water. It is a Samsung washing machine, EcoBubble washing machine. This was the pump that was installed on the washing machine. This was the pump that was on the washing machine. So sometimes it could drain, sometimes it could not drain. So let me show you. To open the washing machine, I found that the metal for this part was very hot. It was very hot to the extent it could burn. So when I opened the pump cover, this is the top cover. This is what I witnessed. This is what I saw. This place should be white, but from the effect of the hotness, from the effect of the high temperature, the pump was very hot. So if you proceed and look at the inside part, properly, you can see it's burnt. Now, most of you know this one as Call, company that manufacture these types of pumps. You can read the particulars. See the difference between a burnt one and the one that is not burnt. So let me take the measurement of its stand. Let's see the resistance. It's 81 ohms. Just I think I can lift it up so that you can see it properly. Resistance very low. This is 81 ohms. Then let us take the resistance of the one that is working properly, this one. You can see this one is 173 ohms. So in short, what you do, you just replace it. This one cannot be made, it cannot be repaired. This one you replace it. I think someone can tell me, you want me to open it? Let me open it so that you can see from the inside the way it looks like. assembled it in Berang. Cover that was on top. So someone asked me what is the difference between a pump that is not working and the pump that is working. You can see this one is overheating. If it's overheating, replace it. If the resistance is below 150 ohms, or if it's very low, or if it doesn't have any resistance at all, replace it. The third thing that will make you replace it, if the propeller comes out, the impeller, like this one. Where is the impeller? I think it was here. I've not seen it. If the impeller comes out, like on this one, replace it. That is it for today, so I'll catch you in the next one.